Did you know that if you add 1 cup of almond nuts to a bowl, add water and soak it overnight or for at least 4 hours? It should also soak 4 to 5 dates overnight or with hot water, just like I have done for at least 20 minutes. Wash off your almond nuts after it's soaked for at least 4 hours. Rinse it off thoroughly. This is what it should look like after it's washed. It's pretty easy to wash. Add it to a blender and also add your soaked pitted dates alongside the water that was soaked with as some cinnamon, some vanilla extract and some salt for balance. Then go in with 4 cups of water. The ratio is 1 cup of almonds to 4 cups of water. You're going to blend this all up and blend it to be as smooth as silk. Then pass it through a cheesecloth or regular sieve if you do not have a cheesecloth. If you're using a regular sieve for this, be sure to sieve it a couple of times to remove every residue. And you would have made yourself a very healthy, delicious almond milk that is way better than the one that is sold in the stores without all the preservatives and all the additives. You are sure what is in this almond milk because you made it yourself with the ingredients you really have in your kitchen. Simply add this to an airtight jar and store in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Now for the remains or the pulp from almonds, simply add it to a lined parchment paper and dehydrate it, or you put it in your oven at the lowest setting until it's completely dry. This is good for your pancakes or your bread or whatever recipe that calls for almond flour. Do let me know in the comments if you're willing to give this a try. So guys, in this episode, let's make chocolate chip cookies bar. That is water, more milk. So you can add your butter. So after tying it, you mix it with sugar, your eggs, and your baking ingredients. The game changer, which is the chocolate chip. Then your flour or your dry ingredients. Mix everything thoroughly. Mix it very well so that everything will combine. Then you scoop it and put it in your parchment paper. The next thing you're gonna do is after that just press it and nothing else. Just it's very very simple. Add it to your oven and this is the final result. So let's see.
Hey, my incredible besties! Let's create a stunning dessert that's crowd-pleasing and captures your taste buds. A delicious dessert that's a showstopper and will leave you craving more. Thanks to all my fans that are beginning with me. May you all achieve your dreams. I'm grateful to have a fantastic fan. At Piper5, sending you hugs. To my bestie at Cheese93683 for pushing me to grow. And I'm appreciative. Let me know if you have any tips on making videos viral. So, if you have any tips or advice on how to make my videos go viral, drop high in the comments, and I'd be more than happy to hear them. Hit the like button, subscribe, or comment, and enjoy the rest of this amazing short.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to support me. Then in this channel we are going to make a little bit of cake. I'm just going to show you a sample of simple cake. Then in my next video I'm going to drop how I was able to achieve this. Now let's design this simple and beautiful cake. White and blue cake is just a simple cake. Kindly and simply decorate your cake very well, because decorate cake with love and passion. And also in my next video I'm going to show you how you can write on your cake. Okay, so if you love my channel and if you love what I'm doing in my channel, kindly click the subscribe button, so that anytime that I drop a video, they will always notify you. Now, now let's just give you a tips on how to write on your cake, on how to be a very big, wonderful, good writer. You can just buy this on the market. At least it can help you to know, to write and be a very good writer. So, thank you and have a nice day.